In this video, we are going to be looking at simple ritual to do to attract favor, to attract wealth, to attract goodness, riches, and wealth. A lot of people are battling with not being favored. So many people complain they are never favored. People are not helping them. They are not receiving promotions. They are not getting the good things of life. But there are simple rituals that you can do. And in this video, I'm going to be discussing one very simple ritual that you can do. And it's not going to cost you more money. It's going to cost you less. You are not spending so much money. The only thing that it will cost you is for you to believe. That's number one. Number two, and is for you to actually carry this ritual out. By the way, if you are just joining us or you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Lukman. You are welcome to my channel, Smart Idea TV. And in this channel, we talk about money and spirituality. We discuss money, spiritual things, simple life hacks, simple solution to life problem without going the diabolical way or the difficult way. It's very simple. We discuss simple things that you can do to enrich your life. And in this particular video, we are looking at how to attract favor, how to attract riches, how to attract wealth, how to attract luck to yourself, and how to attract the good things of life. What are the ingredients we are going to be using? I told you it's going to be very simple and very, very simple. One, we'll be needing coconut water. And two, we'll be needing salt. Salt. Two things, coconut water and salt. So, how do we do this? How do we do it? Get the coconut. And as usual, some people even call me Mr. Coconut because I talk about coconut a lot of the times because I love coconut so much. It's very, very effective. If you understand spirituality and the significance of coconut in spirituality, you understand what I'm talking about. All you are going to be doing is, as usual, you open. The coconut has 3 eyes. So you look for the one, locate the one. Out of the 3 eyes, only one eye. He has 3 eyes, but he can see with just one eye. But somebody told me, a spiritual father told me, it actually has 2 eyes, but he cannot see with the eye, but he has mouth. Then you can open the mouth. Any way that you want to look at it, is either 3 eyes or the 2 eyes and the mouth. Just make sure you locate the mouth, the opening, then open it from there. Then you collect the water. Collect the water. Get a fairly big coconut. Get that one. Put it in. Get the water into a bowl. Once you get the water into a bowl, then you get salt. You can use any salt. So many people will start asking me, can you use sea salt? Any salt. It can be the spiritual salt. It can be local salt. It can be the normal cooking salt. Just try to get salt. Because you are not going to be drinking this. You are not drinking it. So, get any salt. Either sea salt. Any salt that you can lay your hand. Because it's going to be very simple. I told you, the essence is for it to be very simple. So that you don't have excuse not to do this. Don't have excuse not to do this. So, you get the water from the coconut into a bowl. Then add salt. You can probably get a teaspoon. I'm not saying a tablespoon now. Teaspoon, very small salt. Add it to the coconut. Then use your middle finger. Use it to stir it together. Stir it very well. Once you stir it very well, then you take it and pray into it. Pray. Affirm all the good things you want. Affirm every good things you want. Open door, luck, wealth, abundance, goodness, good health, good life, all the good things of life that you want. Just affirm it. Start praying into it. If you know any good psalm you can use, just use it. But what I want you to do is just open your mouth and pray, because you are affirming it. And in spirituality, affirmation comes first. You affirm, you believe. What you affirm, you have to believe it, that it's going to happen. And before you know it, you might think it is very small, and because I'm not taking anything from you, it might not work. But nothing stops you from doing it. Just do it. Don't take your spiritual life easy. A lot of people take their spiritual life as a shy play. Things are not working for you. You don't have money, and you still cannot pray. You still cannot do simple things. So what else do you want to do? You don't have money, you don't have time. So it's either you have time, you don't have money, or you have money, you don't have time. If you don't have money, you don't have time, then I don't know what to do for you. But if you don't have the money and you want the money, just do simple things. And one of the simple things is to do this ritual and pray. Ask from the Almighty what you want. What you want. Ask from God, from the Almighty. This is what I want. This is what, then you pray into it. After praying into it, then you move to the last part, which is how do you use it. We are, like I said in the video, we are not drinking this. We are not drinking this mixture, this recipe. We are not drinking it. We are not using it to cook. What we are simply doing with it is, you want to use it to wash our head like this, from our head up to our face, to the neck, up to this level. You wash everything. Use the water. Use it to wash your head. And your head includes here. Everywhere you use it to wash. Use it to wash. As a man, you don't have problem with this. It is only the females that will slightly be saying they cannot use the water because of their hair. But I feel if you need it, things urgently, you want your situation to change for the better, then there is nothing stopping you from doing this. But if you, as a female, if you cannot now wash it, use it to wash your head, then you can add this into your bath water. Add this into your bath water and use it to bathe. You heard me. It is very simple. You are using this mixture, the recipe, to wash your head very well. Everything, all the mixture together, we'll use it to wash your head. If you are a female and you cannot use it to wash, but I don't feel there is anything that should stop you from using it to wash your, since you are not going to be doing it every day. It's just once in a while. And in this, I suggest you do it every 7 days. If you do it today, do it the next 7 days, then from time to time, 7 days interval, until things start working, things start getting better, things start improving for you. It is when you can decide to stop it. But I don't think there is anything even stopping you from including it in your monthly ritual. You add it to your monthly ritual. You'll be doing it the beginning of every month. You'll be doing it. You can include it in your ritual. But initially, because things are not working and you want to be aggressive, you do it every 7 days. Every 7 days. If you choose Friday, then it means by next Friday you do it. If you choose Tuesday, by next Tuesday you do it. If you choose Monday, then by next Monday you do it. Hope you understand. You are using it to wash. You are not using it to drink. I want to remind you, this is a spiritual thing. It's a spiritual recipe. Don't expect magic. Don't expect magic, because like I usually say, I don't know your spiritual standing. Your spiritual standing determines how spiritual things will work for you. Your spiritual standing will determine how spiritual things will work for you. And in my video, I've done so many I've discussed so many rituals that you can do to clear your path, to open doors, to attract favor, to attract wealth. I've done, you can check, especially the one that I've done with salt baths, sugar baths, coconut water, and the rest, coconut breaking and the rest. I will link everything in the description. Just make sure you check the thing before you start complaining. Make sure you try your best to do most of these rituals until if you have not done this, then you don't have reason to start complaining. Don't complain, stop complaining. Instead of complaining, start doing. It is when you do that you will see results. If you don't do, you cannot see results. It's like you want to go to heaven but you don't want to die. There's no you want to go to heaven, you have to die first. So you cannot receive good things of life when you don't try. You have to try it out before you start complaining. These are it is not diabolic, this is natural things. We are just using it spiritual. It is natural things and it is given by God. And God has said that what all the things He has created beautifully, and He has gave us dominion over all these things. So there is no harm in using this for your own goodness. If, by the way, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can actually succeed together. Thank you.